today. We're back at Las Cabañas Beach, which is next to Vanilla Beach. It's been raining the whole day, but look how mystical it looks. Oh, this is amazing. Beautiful. We are going to explore this island now. It's low tide, so we can walk over this sandbank. That's where the zipliners go. Oh, the water is so nice. It's like a lukewarm bath water. We're just walking here, chilling with our umbrellas. Oh, look at that beautiful sky. It's not opening up, but there's a bit of sun and blue sky coming through. There's a zipliner going. It's interesting, these small trees just popping up out of the rocks. This is just growing between the rocks.
Maybe it's a mangrove tree.
Yeah,
The mangrove tree is the one who survived.
Yeah, you're right. This must be mangroves. Look at this beautiful island.
So we're curious what's in here, and I'm just gonna walk a bit more. Is it slippery? Do you want us to go further? It looks muddy. We're going back now. These clouds, just on the tip of those peaks, look so mystical. Like there's like a mythical creature hiding under the clouds, or maybe a temple on top. We're heading now to this resort here. They have a good deal wherein if you buy food and drink, they'll let you stay on their sandbeds and use their amenities like the pool. The sky is opening up. There's some hope. Since the rain is away for now, I think we will go for Zipline before we chill in this resort. And Fafa wants to see what it looked like. I guess fate gave us some favor. Heading now to the zipline. The zipliner guy is getting his supplies. We're heading there now. Dito na po kami sa Orange Pearl Resort. Yan po, pagmamayari din nila yung zipline. At that little counter that they have at the beach, they will ask you what kind of ride would you like. So we opt for the combination ride, Superman going there to the island, and coming back is the seated one. They also have a cashier up there, so we will pay up there because they also have the card there. Yeah. It suddenly becomes steep. It's quite high. It doesn't show in the video, but it's very steep.
Oh, you see somebody going there. That's gonna be us. Woohoo! Oh, now I'm excited.
Oh, they're like they're going to heaven.
Look at the sky. It just opened up.
Wow. This is no joke.
We should have brought water.
That's true. Well, we didn't know it was this steep.
Zipline landing too.
Yeah, that's where we're gonna be landing later. Yeah, but wow, we're so up in the mountain now. So it's furthermore up there. Up there. Okay, we're there. Finally reached the top. So we pay here with our card. Ay, gandang hapon po.
Pay by our combination. Sir, this is 2,200 po for the two of you.
Ano pong limit ng weight?
Normally, sir, ang weight limit namin ay 100 kilograms. Depende po sa hangin. So,
Ah.
as of now, sir, wala naman po masyadong hangin. So, it's okay po if you are more than 100. Pero, meron po mga 110, ganyan.
So, we have to sign our names here. Look up. Waiver and outclaim. How are you?
Good.
Oh, harness, bottoms and upper body. Okay, you ready? Alright, ready na po kami. At pares na kami naka-helmet. Free for us, first time.
Oh, good. So we're gonna see that.
Just putting the harness on your back.
Pwedeng ada pa kayo.
OMG!
Kailangan buhat mo sa rin.
Yeah!
Sir, bago po tayo mag-landing, siguro 5 meters from the landing area, sir. Gagawin
Yes.
niyo po head down, then bend your knees up, sir, okay?
Like this?
Yes, sir. Then head down po.
Ganito.
Yes, sir. Kasi meron po tayong brake system sa baba. Medyo may impact po siya.
So just to make sure.
Yes,
Okay. Okay
But you
po.
don't need to break yourself, sir, okay?
Sige po.
Sir, before you reach the landing area, sir, head down and bend your knees up. That's all you have to do.
Like this?
Like this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hand down your head, okay?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa, that was quite an impact.
Thank you.
So we're now headed to the next ride. Where are you, Papa? Still there. This is a very treacherous climb. It looks very slippery. And handrails are made of bamboo.
We just done the Superman zipline, and we have to climb this mountain. A very slippery mountain. It's very muddy, and I have to use whatever balance I have left in my body not to fall. This is insane. This is quite an adventure. Wow. Because, are you okay there, Lance?
I'm getting bitten by mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes. The next one is going to be the seated zipline on the return, and it's starting to rain. Oh wow! Try not to fall here.
Yes, it's quite steep.
Grab here with your right hand.
We have to hurry before it rains.
Yeah.
Wow.
But we are now kind of like in a ditch.
Wow. This one already failed.
Whoa.
They should strengthen this one.
Stairs are collapsing on us because it's just ground. Half of ground.
Wow.
Whew.
This is a bit too much.
Oh my goodness. Yo. Phew.
Not what I signed for.
Well, we asked for adventure.
We did
We sure got that.
in this rain.
Oh. This is, I don't have words anymore. We are almost there. Oh. And it started to rain. Whew. I'm so out of breath. Yep. We are here for the next one. We made it. We made it.
A bit more.
Who's more out of breath?
We're both out of breath.
Yeah. Anyways, let's wait.
Apparently, you can only proceed after the rain stops.
Okay. Tama po ba to? Okay, ready? Right.
Okay, see you another time.
Yeah, anticipation is killing me. Yay!
Wow, nice legs.
Oh wow. This was amazing.
Yeah, it was. That was a fun one. I prefer the seated than the Superman for some reason.
I like both. We made it! We did it! Oh, we're done with the zipline. And the adventure is not over yet because guess what? We still have to climb.
Climb up and down.
Whew. Climb up a hill and then walk down a hill. Oh.
I had enough of the rain.
We met the most amazing people while waiting for the rain to stop. Some Filipinos, Americans. We had a nice long conversation, lots of laughs and giggles. That made the wait a little bit easier because we had to wait quite a while for the rain to stop again for the return zipline. Hey, I'm out of breath.
Yeah.
We're gonna ski down this slope now.
Oh, let's hope not.
Let's try not to fall.
Moments later.
Happy hour.
Cheers. Almost time for the sunset. But in the meantime, we're enjoying this beautiful view here on Las Cabanas Beach. That was some nice snorkeling.
Yeah.
And I see you made some friends under the water.
Yeah, they were just really curious. I don't know what I'm doing, but they like the mud for some reason.
And they're totally see-through, the fish.
Yeah.
They're totally translucent.
That was an amazing snorkel.
We're gonna go and desalinate
Yeah.
in the freshwater pool. Then we'll see if they have some nice pizza or something to eat here by Las Cabanas Resort.
We could use some salt right now.
Yeah. How was the zipline?
It was amazing.
Ooh.
Food is here.
We have some food.
Oh,
Ooh,
okay,
yummy.
this one first. Breaded pork. Yeah?
Ooh, breaded pork. And we're also waiting for some onion rings. And look at this beautiful view. We're gonna enjoy some snacks and beer with the sunset, with some nice music. So we're gonna have some breaded pork now. Let's try it.
Yeah. Oh, smells good.
Takimasu.
Wow! Oh, wala, dami. Ayos, salamat po.
Salamat.
Sarap po ng breaded pork niya.
Sarap. This is red onion. This will be good. Oh wow. Every single day on El Nido has just been absolutely amazing. Beautiful, beautiful. Come rain or sunshine, even the rainy days are beautiful.